2025 is the year Africans are finally using AI to change their lives. And the best part, you don't need a big city, a fancy laptop, or maybe a degree. Women, students, mothers, and even people in the village like me are actually using simple AI tools to make real money online. Today, I'm breaking down the top AI side hustle Africans are doing in 2025, the ones that actually pay. Side hustle number one is actually AI product description for small shops. Thousands of small business across Africa are selling clothes, shoes, and cosmetic and much more, but they do not know how to write good description or maybe product description. People on WhatsApp business, Jumia, Instagram, and TikTok need help. And using ChatGPT, Grok, or Gemini, or any other AI tool, you can write clean, catchy descriptions in minutes. You can charge them 200 to 500 Kenyan shillings per product, or maybe you can just put in a badge or maybe in a badge, in a pack whereby you can sell from $5 to $20 per badge. Now, this one is the easiest AI side hustle beginners can actually start doing just right now. Hustle number two is Fiverr AI gigs or maybe with zero skills. Okay. Now, Fiverr is exploding with new AI gigs. Africans in Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa, and much more are offering AI written emails, AI resume editing, AI created social media posts, AI translation, and much more. And here is the secret: most top sellers are simply using AI tools and packaging them professionally. Now, side hustle number three is AI digital products on Etsy and also on Gumroad. This one is extremely profitable. People are actually creating digital products in terms of digital planners, journals, ebooks, PDFs, ChatGPT prompt guides, Canva templates, and much more. You can actually create it once using AI and sell it forever. Africans are earning from 50 to 300 per month and much more from a simple digital product. Hustle number is AI faceless YouTube and TikTok videos. You don't need to show your face. AI now creates voices, it creates videos, it creates animations, it creates scripts, thumbnails, and much more. People are building faceless channels about motivation, business ideas, travel, stories, African culture, and much more. Now, imagine earning 200 to 1000 per month from your phone. This is one of the biggest side hustle that you need to try. And the best part is that you still have a chance to use AI tools like Grok to actually do or maybe animate or create these small videos and start monetizing. Now, if you're seeing me for the first time on this channel, just know that this is my AI twin and in my own voice. But this is just an example of how you can create actually your own faceless channel and start monetizing it. You don't need to show your face, or maybe you don't need to actually shoot your own videos. Now, hustle number five is actually AI resume and CV editing for job seekers. In Africa, millions of people are applying for jobs every month. Almost all of them, they need help writing CVs, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles. You can actually use AI tools to rewrite or improve documents and charge them 500 to 2000 per client. This is a steady hustle that will never die. Try it and let me know how it goes. Hustle number six is actually AI voiceovers and voice cloning. Now, right now, creators, churches, schools, and startups need voiceovers. You can use AI tools to create ads, narration, explainers, announcements, and much more. Africans are selling each voiceover for $10 to $50 on Fiverr and on Facebook and other social media. Now, you can use tools like 11 Labs to actually do this. Now, hustle number seven is actually AI social media managers. Small businesses in Africa want to grow online, but they do not know how to actually post consistently. With AI, you can create reels, captions, ideas, monthly content plans, and actually start charging them 5,000 to 25,000 Kenyan shillings per month, depending on the business you are dealing with. And by the way, this is one of the best side hustle that I highly recommend. Now, last but not least, it is in terms of AI translation for local languages: Swahili, Yoruba, Zulu, Somali, Arabic, and much more. These languages are in demand, and people need subtitles, they need translations, and transcripts. AI helps you do it fast, and you can charge per minute or maybe per project and start making maybe passive income. Okay? These are actually the exact side hustles Africans are doing right now, from village, from towns, from campus hostels, from small bedrooms. AI has removed excuses. All you need is your phone and maybe your laptop if you have, and a decision to start. If you want me to show you how to start any of these step by step, comment AI 2025 and I'll be so glad to actually give you a full tutorial.